Hey y'all, I'm just here to report that my family, my immediate family, we survived the 2023 tornado. I'm out here trying to find a grocery store so we can try to get some groceries. My poor little town is tore up. It's tore up. And my heart is hurting so bad that I still feel like crying. Although we are safe, we suffered damage around us. Thank goodness it did not hit our homes, but it did tear up our streets leading to our homes. Yesterday my daughter said she wanted to go to the store. It didn't look like it was going to do anything. So on the way to the store, we stopped by my son's house and we chopped it up with him. And that's when my mother called. She said, you all need to get off the street. You need to take cover. The tornado was on Fort Campbell. And I had the whatever attitude. I'm out here chopping it up with my boy. Fort Campbell, you know, that's the main street. But it usually be towards where my mom at and near Oak Grove. So I wasn't worried. And not knowing it was on my end. So we went to the store. And as we got in the store, everyone's phone began to ring saying tornado warning. So my daughter said, Mama, it's tornado warning. I said, oh, okay. And then I immediately stopped in my tracks. I said, what? That means it's a tornado on the ground. Let's get our stuff and go. By the time we left the store, we were in the tornado. I'm trying to maneuver away from the tornado. The air pressure was so low, our heads began to hurt. And she like, Mama, I'm scared. I was petrified. But I had to keep calm because I got to maneuver around the storm, the tornado. I said, baby, we okay. We need to get out this car. We're going to drive up till we get to this Walmart and we're going to get out and shelter in place. But something told me, my mind, keep moving. Keep moving. I kept moving. So every which way I tried to go, tornado either was there or it had just hit. So I'm going down the street that me and my daughter took to get to the store. Tornado went through there and tore it up. Tore it up. My mom is without power. They over there cold. They've been out of power since, or I'm going to say before the storm touched. So I'm out here trying to find a grocery store to get some food so they can eat when they come over. I'm distraught. my heart is heavy to see my neighborhood, the streets that I travel to get my kids to school, to go to the grocery store, to get to my mama house, to pay my bills, has been destroyed. I've never in my 51 years witnessed anything like this, been in anything like this. My dad kept saying last night, this is Tornado Alley, this is Tornado Alley. We are in Tornado Alley. I know we get tornadoes in my town, but not close to us. I said, Mom, we gotta move. Where you moving to? If you guys could hear them sirens, the sirens is still going because we need help. People here needs help. I'm not sure at this point how you can help Clarksville, but I'm asking that you all pray. Pray for us. Pray for the people of Clarksville.